Hey everyone, this is Lala Reddy from Abstract Music Lab, and today we're here in the sound design channel to recreate a Pluck inspired by Ed Apollo's Wildflower, and it sounds like this. This is the original. And this kind of Pluck serves really well with house music, as you can listen here in context. And if you're also curious on how you can make this kind of bass line over here, you can definitely check our video here in the top right corner in which we show how to make the bass line like this. But back to the sounds here in this demo, you can find all these presets in our preset pack that we've done for Production Music Live. It's a house music preset pack with 79 amazing presets that we crafted specifically for house music, and I'm sure that you'll like it. And if you're liking this video, you can already hit the like button. If you're loving it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos from the sound design channel. But let's get started with the sound design. Let's initialize Serum and let's get started from scratch. So here we have analog basic shapes for oscillator A and the default wave for oscillator B. We're going to choose a square wave over here. And in oscillator B, what we're going to have to do is put the level here to 57%, so something like this. And one thing that we're going to have to do from the beginning is choose mono, always, and portamento here to 22 milliseconds. So it can already create a little bit of a woom, 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 and that's what we want with this sound. So now envelope 1, we're going to choose here attack as it is. The decay is going to be pretty long, 2.16, something like this. Sustain all the way down. The release at 600, something like this. And this handle over here has to go right above the number. And this is going to pretty much modulate the sound and also modulate the filter that we're going to use. So in the filter, we're going to choose A and B. The cutoff is going to be at 11 Hertz. And I forgot one thing. I forgot that we have to choose the MG low 24. So this 11 Hertz, there you go. Now the envelope is going to modulate this sound at 87. And we're going to increase the resonance here to 35 and the drive to 18. And that's pretty much it for this sound in the oscillator section. We're going to now to the effects section. We're going to choose hyper. We're going to put the mix of the dimension all the way down. We're not going to touch dimension. We're just going to use hyper. Detune is going to go to 39%. The unison is going to go to 5, and the mix over here is going to go to 22. This is going to open up the sound a little bit. Now, distortion, hard clip, the drive and the wet are going to be at 100%. And this is going to make the sound a little bit louder, so I'm just going to make it. That's it. Now, filter, we're going to choose here an MG low 18. We're going to put the cutoff here to 76. The resonance is going to go here to 33. You can't hear anything, and that's because we need to use this envelope to modulate the sound over here, around 27. But still pretty much not it. So we're going to use another envelope. We're going to use envelope 2, and the attack here is going to be at 10 milliseconds. The decay is going to go at 230, something like this. Yeah, that's fine. Sustain all the way down, and this handle again all the way down over here. Now, this envelope is going to modulate the cutoff again at 16. Now, we also have to put the drive here to 23. And you can see that the sound starts to getting shape that we want. Now, reverb, we're going to have to choose the reverb size as it is. The decay is going to go to 5.1, the low cut at 31%, the high cut at 76%, and the mix is going to go at 28. You can see it creates that spatial sound that we want. Now, EQ, we're going to choose a low cut and a bell curve. In the low cut, we're going to choose the Q at 39. And the frequency is going to go here at 304. To cut a little bit of those low end frequencies over there. And now the bell curve at 531. You're going to choose here the Q at 36 and the gain at 2.8. That's about it. Now we only need a little bit of delay in the sound. And the delay, we're going to choose a 1/8 dot. And the frequency is going to go here at around something like this. Let's try to go. Yeah, something like this is fine. And the wet is going to remain here at 29. So you can see it has a little bit of like a boom, 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 which is caused a lot by this portamento over here. And also by the attack that we left a little bit delayed from the initial attack over here. So again, if you want to listen to the sound. But what is the sound playing? Well, basically the MIDI, it's really simple. And the MIDI, you can check it over here. Let me close Serum. And if you want to check it in context again. This is just to create some background in Tech House. And that's it. If you like the preset, make sure to check it out. Our preset pack available here in the description below. 79 amazing presets for house music. And also, if you're liking the video, hit the like button. If you're loving it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos from the Sound Design channel. This is Lil already from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.